Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track your OnlyFans earnings. So just tap on my browser and log into my account. The earning dashboard OnlyFans provides creator with an earning dashboard that details in your income source. This dashboard is a valuable tool for a quick glance to how your content is performing financially. It's updated in real time and breaks down your earnings from subscriptions, tips, and PVC content. So there is an earnings methods. So how do you get paid for OnlyFans? OnlyFans has become a way for many influencer, particularly adult content creator, to make money. The top ways to make money on OnlyFans include subscription, direct messaging, tips, pay per view content, and the on coaching business. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.